So we're at the Norfolk Motorhome and Campervan Show now with CMC from Kent, and this is their latest, the Tourer Maxi, on a bigger van than the Transit Customs and the VWs that we're used to seeing. An MAN, 6 metres?
Yep, just under 6 metres.
Tell us all about it.
Yeah, well, when we developed this one, we wanted to get a van mainly with 5 seats in the back of it, or 5 seats in it, 3 in the back, and with a bit of space to use. I go away, I have 3 boys, I need space in the vehicle. Pop top on the top is an option.
So if you don't need the extra berths, you don't have to have the pop top.
Yeah, exactly.
Let's go inside then and see the space that we've got in here, because it is slightly wet now outside.
So in here we've used the Rimo Veritech 3000 seat, which we use in a lot of our smaller vehicles. It's a really good seat, makes a great bed. It's flexible, so it moves backwards and forwards on the rails, so you can position it kind of like throughout the vehicle.
So you can move it further back than this for more floor space.
That's it. Yeah.
And when you've got kids travelling, they're nice and close to...
Nice and close to the front, so you can reach them, you can pass them bits, or you can push them back a little bit further if you don't want them in the way. And then obviously we've got this roof bed, this rope ladder here to access the top hatch. So
I bet kids love that, don't they?
Yes, they do. Kind of, it's a bit of a climbing frame for them.
How many people have been up there over the show?
Quite a few. A few of the older people after a few gin and tonics, feeling brave. But it's good. It just makes it an easy access because obviously when the bed's out, to try and get up there, you can't put a solid ladder. So it works really well.
So this seat makes into your double bed down here, just like in the VW.
Just like me. Do you want me to show you? If you hop off, we flip this over. It goes down, and that's the bed.
And what sort of size is that?
So it's 1.9 long. That tall people can obviously utilise this seat here, and it's 1.2 wide.
So good sized bed.
Decent sized
and
bed.
Not having a fixed bed in here means you've got loads more space at the back of the van.
That was the idea when we made this. We wanted space in the vehicle to move around and kind of, so you've got 5 people in here, you need space to move around and kind of and actually sit.
But even if it's just 2 of you, to have that space, if you're going away for a longer period, it's nice to have the feeling of living space.
It's quite nice as well to have the separate kitchen at the back, as opposed to in your living area, so you can actually go to the back to do your cooking a bit, so you've got your separate dining kind of like living area at the front here.
So on one side you've got a toilet and shower.
Toilet shower area,
That's not your usual cassette toilet.
No, you could have a cassette toilet in here, but this is actually, it's a dry flush waterless toilet. So basically it's got bag containers in there, and it vacuum seals the bag, and then you just dispose of that in the bin, the normal waste when you do it.
You've got a really good sized kitchen down this side.
Yeah, so we've got obviously your standard sink and double burner hob. Underneath the vehicle we have a small LPG gas tank underneath, so you just fill that up at your garage. 50 litre fridge, which is big enough for your main
compressor fridge.
Yeah. We have a Ninja kind of like air fryer combi cooker. It works off the inverter, so the parts in fridge, so we do it. Little coffee machine at the back, and the rest is just quite
coffee machine. I'm sold.
It works. I had one this morning. In the day and age when it's got however much it is for cappuccino at the local coffee van, it's
£4 for a coffee.
Yeah, so it's and there's quite a lot of storage. So you've got the drawers kind of like in here. You've got a little kind of like put that thing in the back there. So yeah, we've tried to get as much storage in as possible. We've got a little extendable work surface at the back as well.
And what's that? I can see around the corner. You've got is that outdoor chairs?
Yeah, outdoor chairs and table around the back. It's just quite a nice storage area to put bits and pieces.
Yeah, because when you haven't got a garage, you need somewhere for your outdoor furniture.
Yeah, it's one of the challenges is where do you put bits. The challenge is always take as little as possible you can get away with. Lots of people have these vans, they take so much stuff away that they never use. But a couple of comfy chairs, nice table, kind of like, that's all you really need.
Okay. Really nice sort of step up then from your T6 campers.
Yeah, they're different vehicles.
Yeah.
Kind of like where the T6 is your everyday car vehicle, you compromise. This is a bigger motorhome campervan, but it's still quite small and compact. Kind of like it's on the MAN or the Volkswagen Crafter, which is a great vehicle to drive. It's lovely, so it's really good.
Kind of they just feel like a bigger transporter from behind the wheel.
And you can still take them, you can still park them in car parks. They're still manoeuvrable enough to kind of use them kind of as a convenient vehicle. So,
Okay, great. Thanks, Sam.
Okay.